We saw at BASF a need to, let's use the molecule to drive innovation. What are ways that we can look at things a little differently? We do understand that the walls are part of a holistic system that's more than just the products and the walls. It goes together in harmony. It's the cause and effects of the walls and the envelope. And yeah, it does interact with the mechanical system.
So the engineering and the science behind the wall system actually affects and touches multiple aspects of the home in the construction process and down the road.
Exactly. We have to look at everything as a system.
Tim, we're in one of your homes being built right now, and we're at kind of the initial phase of the BASF high-performance wall system. Tell me where we're at right now in the phase.
Well, we're just finishing the framing component, ready to start the rough mechanicals here in the next few days. But at this point, what you're seeing is the Neopor on the 2x4 stud wall cavities at 24-inch on center with a weather-resistant barrier on the outside. So that's where we're at right now with this home. As you can kind of see, you see a lot of the Neopor showing through the framing system, where traditionally, a traditional product, we'd have a lot more reinforcing OSB corners or OSB shear walls, where we don't have to have that with the Neopor or the high performance wall system. In the end, the bonding of the spray foam is what gives us that lateral racking structure, as well as the additional strength from a vertical loading perspective.
We're only putting one layer of sheathing on the exterior walls, where traditionally we would have 2 layers, half-inch OSB, half-inch foam. With this Neopor system, it's 1-inch foam all the way around the outside.
And the advantages to that are what?
Well, the obvious advantage is that we get a larger R value on the entire exterior perimeter of the home, which tremendously reduces the amount of thermal bridging that occurs in the wall system.
So because of the system and because of the science behind it, you guys have developed something pretty spectacular, but it affects so many other things, and it affects so many other aspects of the home, and more specifically the construction of that home.
Well, we found out that compared to a 2x6 16 on center, with this 2x4 assembly, the HP Plus wall assembly, we're 35% stronger than a house that has wood sheathing, 2x6, 16 on center, and traditional fiberglass bats. Now,
that's how they've been building homes forever.
It is, but that's not to take anything away from the sheathing, because we have what we call the X series too. So there are places where you have high wind loads, or you're on the coast and you have a lot of turbulent, weather conditions. If you put the OSB back and laminate it to the Neopor, now you can get up to 130% stronger. In building science, there are essentially 4 flows that you have to address for a home to work. Number 1, airflow. You've got to stop air. Number 2, heat flow. So you got to reduce the amount of energy that goes through these assemblies. Number 3, moisture. Moisture is the one that can rot your building down and cause mold. And then number 4, vapor. How's it dry? So with the assembly of the wall system, we put the 4 together.
Those are the main components of keeping a house stable, durable, and longevity of that structure. You hit them all.
Yeah, and that's what makes a home work.
It's increased our confidence in how our homes perform from a level of energy usage. We're to the point now where we are guaranteeing our clients, our end users, energy usage in the home, saying that we're going to outperform the code by 30%.
It's great for the end user though, because it gives them the healthier and safer, the comfort that they just haven't experienced in today's housing.
BASF. We create chemistry.